Hi guys, welcome to Digital channel guys. So guys, today I'm discuss topic about that how we can set up Bing Webmaster tool from import on the Google Webmaster option. So guys, watch carefully starting to ending. This can understanding complete one. And who are not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Ask your question on my comment box. You can contact anytime into the my website will be raketechsolution.com. You will always supporting for your particular option. Now, in this website, I'm already creating. This will be astrology website. In this website, how we can creating for Bing Webmaster tool from the Google Search Console. First, Bing Webmaster. Bing.com/webmaster will be select here or toolbox.webmaster. First of all, your sign in your account is first important. Sign in. They selecting Microsoft, Google, and Facebook. So when import Google Search Console into Bing Search Console, the option name is called Google option will be here. Now click for the sign in option will be here. The particular sign in will be created from the Bing Webmaster. Here they give option is called import the file. Select simple import and your Google Search Console, Bing Search Console, same login will be done through Gmail. The import is possible. So if you have set up the Bing Webmaster is easy step by using Google Search Console option. Click for the option, select your email and confirm it. In the confirmation, so we can import file will be here, import option, and finally it will be taking for the option will be here. So it will be click for done. So fraction of seconds, the search preference, everything will be coming to your website. Finally, it is sitemap also automatically processing for your particular Bing Webmaster. That is called Bing Search Console purpose. What are the Bing Webmaster will be create? The option name is called automatic will be create from Google by login. Bing will be in a Google account. So same like URL submission, sitemap, site explorer, URL inspection, and search preference and home option. Everything will be there. And URL submission on Bing, it will be showing to the parser will be first only for 10. Later on the increasing for search daily submission links. So this is a policy will be follow onto the creating for Bing Search Console option. So anyone creating for Bing Webmaster tool, the option name is called to log in with Google with import from the Google Search Console. So follow this procedure and keep it in mind to set up the your website Bing Search Console. Don't forget if any question ask me to my channel or subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.